Okay, so what we have here today is an ABS sensor. So I'm going to replace, because the cable broke on the old one. So it's very easy. As you see, there is a space for it here. So I took already the old one out. Now I'm gonna put it in the same space, the new one. Okay, let's get it here. Yes, we have it in. Now I just have to find the screw. Okay, it's here. Okay, bear with me for a second. It's hard to do this by myself. Okay, I found the screw. I'll place the screw in. Okay, the screw is in. Okay, I'm gonna use my magic screwdriver again. What happened? Okay. Okay. So as you see, the sensor is in. Now all I have to do is place the cable holders in the right place. So one is here, another one will be here, as you can see. I'm gonna place them in a second. So one here, and then the rest of the cable is going up. So I'm gonna show where it is right now. So it's here, and that's the pump right there. So the connector for it is here. I'm gonna show it. I don't know if you can see it well. It's this one with white cable right there. It's loose. So I'm gonna try to show you again. Okay. No, it'll be better here. Oh, this is the one. So all you have to do basically is just get the cable from the bottom up here, connected and secure, so it's not moving anywhere, and you should be all ready to go. Okay, thank you. And for more information you can go to volvostrader.com. Again, volvostrader.com. Thank you.